Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Merrimack St Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. But there's something about this truck that's pretty special. As a matter of fact, there's 6 reasons why it's special. It's a 6-speed manual. These things are so hard to come by. I have a truck coming up behind me, so I'm going to try to work my way over. But very, very hard to come by these, especially in the manual trim. This one's got 75K on it. I have driven a manual Tacoma before. It was lifted. I believe it was a little bit of an older one. Then again, these have been the same for years. Six-speed manual. Although you do have, if we were to do this, put it into 4 low. I don't think that's 4 low. Hold the phone. There it is. That's 4 low. So first gear is extraordinarily short. Anyways, this my foot is off the clutch. I am just idling. My foot's on the brake. So that is 100% just a crawl gear. So do this, get out of that. That's reverse, go all the way over, up. So cool to have a manual truck of this age. You know, yeah, manual Ford Rangers were a thing, but there's not a lot of manual trucks left, if any. After third gear, all the gears are pretty close together. First, second, third are big jumps between each other. So that takes a little bit of getting used to, so you don't just absolutely annihilate the clutch. This has the good old V6 in it. Love this motor. It's been tried and true. Just do second, because first, I'm gonna be red line by 20. Being a truck, handling is not a big aspect. But it will get its way around the corner. I do wish I could off-road this thing, because that's where this would be a lot of fun. You know, yes, this is a truck gearbox. It's pretty darn good. I have a ton of feel in this thing. I mean, obviously, it's not an electronic shifter, it's a manual. So, whatever I do is directly related to what the gears do. So obviously there's gonna be some feel to it. The thing with these V6s is they're very torquey. I love this engine. They are a little noisy, I've noticed. They have a knock at idle, and it's pretty normal. So it's always concerning when I get one of these in. I'm like, is the motor gone, or is that just a normal tick? So there's always that. Oh, this would be such an awesome daily. I would daily the crap out of this thing. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. I love this thing. Such a good truck. It's just the right size. There's a joke in there somewhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.